Okay, we got it in here and got it together, as y'all can see. We just got to tighten it up, and as y'all was seeing in the video, what we kept taking it down and putting it on, and what happened was under here, let me show you if I can get up under here and show y'all this hole up under here, right there. Okay, it's a washer right there, as y'all can see. We had to end up using the old washer because what was happening with the new one, it was too wide. It was too wide to go in this hole right here. So that had to go in the hole right there, as y'all can see, so you have enough to come through, focus camera, so it can come up to here and get through here and come up to here, so we can tighten it up right there. So I'm trying to get the camera focused so y'all can see, and that's where the nut comes through. So that's why y'all seen in the video we was kind of like taking it apart, putting it back together, because these washers right here that comes with this right here, I don't know, that light making it like that or what, but that washer right there is too wide. It's too wide to go underneath there in that hole, so we had to use one of the old ones, which is, so sometimes it's good to save your old parts. You see, as y'all can see on this one, it's kind of oval-shaped it. Put it down on the ground. It's kind of oval-shaped it, and then it's not wide, so it's not flat, completely flat, as y'all can see. And it'll fit up in that hole. So we had to use the old parts and the new parts. So it's best sometimes just to keep your old parts, because you might have to use them sometimes. All right, y'all. That was something quick and simple. Upgrade too. Also with the bushings, they more thicker and everything, high performance ones. So we needed them anyway. We had time. Other than that, y'all, that's something simple. You know, any little simple thing you can do to your car, especially now with this coronavirus going on. You know, there's a lot of stuff that we can't go to shows, go to events. The people that's like Speed Addict, 731, and Foxcast and all them guys can't get on the track because of this coronavirus. Hopefully this stuff will lift up and they're able to go to track, make content, and I'm able to go to car shows and make contents and everything. And also, don't forget, June the 6th, we still trying to make that meet up there with Speed Addict and Foxcast up there to that event that we went last year. We had a great time. Even though it rained, we still had a good time. We made the best of it. So this time, hopefully I get to go down the track with them this time. And, you know, we go out and have a good time. So hopefully all this stuff be lifted up and none of that be canceled. With that said, we don't know if we're going to go to Mustang Week this year. You know, it's up in the air. Just about like for in and out other stuff for the, you know, events and stuff. So we don't know. But basically that's going to be about it. Like I said, it's hard. For us to get content, you know, as YouTubers, so y'all have patience for y'all, you know, some of y'all YouTubers y'all know that was always throwing every week, throwing events on and doing stuff and, you know, going to the track and everything. Have some patience with them because, I mean, if they can't get to where they got to go to do their YouTube stuff and events and stuff, you know, it makes it hard. So it's hard to bring out content unless you're constantly doing something to your car, building it and stuff. And a lot of us not doing that right now. A lot of us trying to save money to provide for the family, take care of home, and, you know, we can do the building stuff later when this stuff kind of lift up. So with that said, y'all just have patience with y'all YouTubers and have patience with me. So I thought I could bring y'all something, you know, at least. But with that said, y'all, we're going to end this video. I hope this was helpful to some people that might have this problem or, you know, thinking about changing their stable links anyway. So, you know, it helps. So with that said, y'all know what it is. Stay in life, baby. We out. Peace.
Shadows fall over my heart. I black out the moon. I wait for you to come around.